Today I'm on Sarem Creek, S-A-R-E-M. It's off of the Chewan River, down in the Gatesville area. Put in at the Gatesville boat ramp. On the maps it looks like I can get maybe 4.5 miles up here. We'll see what happens. It's beautiful so far. It reminds me of Hodges Creek, which is very close to here. But I like the grass. I like the brown grass. It's a good contrast. This is beautiful so far. Check this out. If you travel up Sarem Creek, approximately 3.5 miles, you come to a dead end. There's a couple channels that shoot off, but they're way too shallow right now, and the water is low. I'm assuming it's low tide right now, or in between. This is it's a deep water dead end. Usually I dry out at the tops of these creeks, but there's this big pool here, and it's deep. deeper than 220 centimeters. But it's a little strange. Like I said, usually it turns into a swamp and it's a bunch of fingers and they're getting super shallow. But this is almost like they were building it and just stopped right here. Always something different. And then that's why I keep going. There's always something different. Sarem Creek, I like it. If you get the chance, paddle up Sarem Creek.